Hi subscribers, welcome back to Crafteria. So today we'll be making this beautiful craft for Father's Day. So here you can see the material list. Let's continue. So for this, first I'll take out my cartoon cardboard. Here I have used this thick cardboard. You can use any other type of cardboard. Now we have to draw this figure over the cardboard. So this DAD, I will draw it over the cardboard and then I'll cut it out. So let's start drawing this figure over the cardboard. Now let's cut it out. This is the final design which we are going to work on. After cutting it, I've obtained this. Now we have to join these three letters together using a piece of cardboard. So I'll cut a small piece of cardboard and then I will join it using glue. I'll turn the letters back so that I can stick them together with glue and cardboard. Try to arrange them in the right order. So this is not the right order, so I will again try to arrange them in the right order. Finally, this is the right order. Now using glue, I will stick the piece of cardboard at the middle of both the letters. After joining the three of them, we have to wait for 5 minutes so that it will stick properly. After 5 minutes, you can turn it around and it will look something like this. Now, since the base is complete, we'll start applying rice over it and then we'll color it. So this time I have used small sized rice. You can also use big sized rice as you find in your home. For applying the rice, we'll need glue. So here I'll be using white glue because I have a less amount of white glue. I'll also use a little bit of yellow glue. Now I'll apply this glue. So I'm applying it generously. Don't apply it very little, otherwise the rice won't stick properly. You have to apply a large amount of glue over each letter. After applying glue, I will start sticking the rice. So I have also used yellow glue here. Using this yellow glue is not necessary. If you have a large amount of white glue, you can use only white glue. After applying the glue, I'll mix it a little bit with my fingers so that it covers the whole area. Otherwise the rice will stick only in specific areas. Now after mixing it, I will take these rice grains and I will drop them with my fingers. You don't have to rub them over this letter, you just need to drop them like this. Then After you have dropped a large amount of rice, you can use a piece of cardboard like this and you can press it slightly with your hand so that the rice will stick properly. Like this you have to do in all the three letters, and you don't have to mix it very thoroughly, otherwise the rice will come out. Now we have to let it dry, because the rice needs to dry for at least 30 minutes before we can apply paint. We can apply the paint only after the rice has been fully dried. Now I'll take a piece of white color paper or white A4 size paper, and I will mark the D on the white paper. Then I'll make a little bit bigger circle, and then I'll cut it out because I have to apply it on the D, inside this D letter. So I'll cut it out using a scissors. After cutting it out, I will make some hearts, and you can also use some pictures of your father. So I'll rub the lines that I have made using the pencil. Now I will measure if it is correct or not. The size is perfect. Now I'll take red color craft papers or red color papers to make the heart. You can also use a different color of craft paper. I'll use this red color of craft paper, and I will cut two hearts from it. Now after that I have joined these heart on the paper. I will keep it aside for some time. In the meanwhile, we'll color our letters. So for this I will just shake these letters a bit so that the extra rice has fallen. Now I'll take out my colors. So I'll be using acrylic colors here. I'll take out red, white, and a darker shade of red. You can also use golden, blue, or any other color of your choice. So now I'll take out a thick size round brush. You don't need to apply water here. You can do it without water, or you can apply a very little amount of water. So now I'll take out the red color. I will apply the red color over the D and the small d, over the capital D and the small d, and I apply the white color over the A. So here you can see I have completed applying the red color over both the D, and it looks very good. Now I'll start applying the white color over the A. So after applying the white color over the A, I will start sticking this white paper that we have made earlier. So I will apply a bit of glue over the back side, and I will stick this white paper with the heart from the back. From the front it looks something like this. I have not completed coloring the white color. I will show you the finished craft at last. So this is what it looks like after 1 hour of drying. It looks very beautiful, but it is still not complete because we need to make the stand so that we can keep it upright. For this I have taken wooden sticks, and I have also taken a piece of cardboard. So I will cut this piece of cardboard into two halves, and then I will stick it like this. But before I will use this wooden stick and I will insert it inside the cardboard. I'll measure the length of the wooden stick with the cardboard and then I'll insert it in the cardboard vertically like this, and then using glue I'll stick the cardboard. So again the second wooden stick, I'll use this wooden stick and I'll insert it inside this cardboard. So after that both the wooden sticks have been inserted. Using glue I will secure the wooden stick that has come out of the cardboard. You need to stick the cardboard a little above from the bottom part, as you can see. Now I'll stick the second cardboard piece. After completely drying out the stand, it can be held upright like this. It looks very beautiful and very cute gift for Father's Day. If you want to make it as a wall hanging, you can tie a piece of ribbon or a piece of thread at the top of it and you can just hang it on the wall.